it's your beautiful soul mommy, and I welcome you all back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back, Philatom, and feel welcome. And yeah, I'm almost there, getting many things done because time is not on my hands, and I have to get so many things done, and I have to get out of this house to go see my mother-in-law. We have some other things to do before she comes to my house. So I figured out by the time we come back, because yule mama wako na shughuli kama venye tu mimi kuna shughuli mingi. So I just figured it out. Let me just prepare a meal. By the time she gets here, vitu zikuwe zinaenda. So I'm making chapati, I'm making vegetable rice, I'll be making minced meat stew. My juice is already blended, mango juice. So everything is going to be in place by the time I leave this house. So you just stay tuned and continue watching. For those who have been watching me, thank you, my darling, my boo boo, my honey. Thank you so much. For those new subscribers, welcome Baba, welcome Mama. And I love you all so much. So you just spend a day with me and see how many activities I'm going to get. They are going to get done on this day. Sawa sawa. So nilianza kupika chapati, rice na nyama kima. There was minced meat in that big pan, and chapati and white rice kwa hii sufuria ingine ndogo. So the rice, I was just boiling the rice because ilikuwa ni I just kept the rice. Is it kept? Ikizungu inanisumbua. I just wake up. Kulikuwa na rice na maji hapo ndani ya hiyo sufuria peke yake. So yeah, those are the things that I was cooking. So as we continue, my rice ikaiva. I had to take the rice, nimwage excess water. Nilieka excess water because I'll be frying the rice. So hiyo naiweka ile maji imebaki i dry up as I continue to cook my chapati. And that was my last chapati. Yeah, that was my last chapati. So I'm taking the pan down, then I put sufuria yenye I will fry the rice in. Nikaeka sufuria, it had to heat fast because it was wet. Then I'll put my mafuta, then I continue. Nikiendelea hapo, I was cutting French peas. Is it French peas? French beans. The green ndefu things. The green things zenye waziko ndefu hivi, I guess ni French peas. I know. Yeah, the French peas. French beans, French peas. Me that is me ekaing mafuta uto ndani ya sufuria. Yeah, nimeweka mafuta uto ndani ya sufuria, nimezima gas yenye ilikuwa ina boil hiyo rice ingine. So nimeweka mafuta uto ndani ya sufuria, kitunguu. Yeah, so right now naenda kutengeneza vegetables zangu. And in the vegetables I had maize, hiyo ni mahindi ambayo naeka hapo ndani. Then I had carrots, carrots. And then I had green pepper, the big bell green pepper, and I had dania and the French peas. Those were my vegetables zenye nilieka hapo ndani. So as we continue kukoroga, yeah. I broke a nail, my people. I broke a nail. Yeah, I broke a nail, but it's okay. It's okay. It was uchungu, but it's okay. It's okay. So let us continue with our shughuli. We have to continue. Hata kama utavunjika mguu, lakini kupika lazima watu wamalize kupika. Vunjika mguu, enda hospitali urudi umalize mapishi. So that is me mixing my spices. Yeah, niliweka spices zote hapo, alafu nikakuja nikaweka hapo ndani plus kachumvi kidogo, a pinch of salt, and spices hapo ndani. So koroga, mix. Mixa, koroga. Haya, nikaweka mchele hapo ndani. So as you can see, nilimix alafu nikaweka mchele hapo ndani. So hiyo pan nyingine hapo kando, hapo ndo nilikuwa napikia nyama kima, minced meat. So nilikuwa nimeshakaranga vitunguu, alafu nikachukua inaitwa minced meat yangu nikaweka hapo ndani. Yeah. So as you can see, my mbaba is very helpful. Thank God he gave me a helping hand, because this day I only had like 2 hours to prepare everything that I was preparing in the morning. Yeah, because I also had to go get I also had some issues to do during the day, so I had to do this before nitoke ndani ya nyumba. So nimeshaika tomato, you saw me nikiweka tomato, then pia nikaeka viazi. So yeah, I threw I indulge the viazi. Nilieka viazi na tomato, I guess umeelewa. What is the word of use to putting things? Hata hizo ni zinaitwa aje? Hizo ni spices nimeweka hapo ndani. Spices na chumvi, yeah. So you put, yeah, it's you put. Why does it sound off sometimes? Na hiyo Royco cube I'm putting inside there. I'm putting. Anyway, acha tuendelee tu hii kizungu wa. I've really tried. Anyway, let us just do put. If I put anything, I'll say I put. Yeah, I guess it's the same thing. Yeah. So nikamaliza kupika, then I had to change them to hot pots. Yeah, nikamimina vitu zote ambazo nilikuwa nimepikia kwa sufuria ya ziliingia kwa hot pots. So naeka kwa hot pots zangu, everything kwa hot pot yake. Msijali. Ya kwanza nimeweka nyama kima. This the second one I'm putting some rice inside. Ya nilichange rice nikaiweka kwa rice cooker ndo iendelee kuwa warm isikuwe baridi. Nikija nikiweka kwa hot pot bado ikuwe moto isikuwe baridi. So that is me. Tunafutafuta hapo uchafu tukiweka hapo ndani rice. I hand the second one, the third one. Hii tuliweka chapati. Ya hii niliweka chapati. Na chapati msijali. Hiyo karatasi msijali. Nitawaambia mali nilitoa someday. Haya, that is me. Kukorombeza ni lazima. Sufuria haiwezi wekwa maji hivyo. That is wastage of food. Yeah, tumemaliza kupack everything so kwa hot pot. So sasa ni usafi time. I'm just doing some usafi because ukimaliza kupika the jikoni huwa kunakaa kuchafu sana, so we have to clean our kitchen before tutoke kwa kitchen ama kitchen endo hivyo. Tayari niko na mende. I won't lie. Mwanzo mimi I'm looking for dawa ya mende. Niko na tumende tudogo twingi. Wewe ukijua uko na dawa mende uniambie. The last time niliulizia dawa mende zile recipe ambazo nilipatiwa, kuna nyingine kidogo inichoke nikufe. So that is a stand that I bought like last year. Since last year February. Alafu nikaiweka huko nje kwa boxes zangu zenye nitahamia nazo kwa nyumba. Nikaisahau. So this day nikaikumbuka. And tukaitafuta the whole house and I was like, no man, this imepotea and I'm just so not okay. I bought this stand pesa nyingi wakati zikitoka sijui zilikuwa 2,800 sijui ni 3,200. I was like, you have to go get that stand. Akaenda kaichukua and I was so happy that my stand came back. Yeah, so ilikuwa huko nje kumbe na tulikuwa tunaitafuta ndani ya nyumba. So that is me disinfecting my everything while I wipe, nikiclear, usafi ukiendelea. Yeah, just cleaning everywhere and everything once umemaliza kupika. Yeah, so right now I'm cleaning the cooker. Yeah, but I did not do a thorough cleaner for the cooker because I was in a hurry. Time was gone. The time was not on my side actually. Yeah, so we were just doing things mbio. Yeah, and that is my mbaba helping me to fix that thing. Because actually, hata angeniachia ni fix makucha ingeni allow to fix that thing the way it was supposed to be fixed. So we continue. Let me continue with me cleaning. Yeah, so as I said earlier, I cleaned the stove like up. Yani juju. Yeah, nilisafisha juju. Not like tara. Yeah, nilisafisha tu juju. Hapo ndani kuna jik. Hapo ndani hiyo spray kuna jik disinfectant and a little soap. So ndo wanatumia ku clean nayo. So hapo mimi natumia toothbrush kusafisha ndani ya hizo holes kama kuna chakula imeingia huko ndani. Yeah, so I did not singeweza kufika huko ndani ya hizo holes kwa sababu again makucha, nails. So my mbaba had to help me out with that. Thank you. I appreciate you, my mbabas. So we continue. Yeah, alipomaliza I came back to dry it with another clean towel. Yeah, as we continue to clean and repangering refixing kwani it was broken, kwani ilikuwa imeshakuwa fixed. It was not fixed in the first place, so we are fixing the kitchen stand, kitchen utensil stand inaitwa hivyo. So as we continue, I'm trying to dry up the things that are supposed to go where they're supposed to go, because I don't want things everywhere and anywhere. I'm trying to minimize everything on the kitchen counter. So the rice cooker nimesafisha, nimedry, nairegesha maliko hiyo sufuria yake. The blender too, the same thing, nasafisha hiyo machine yake. Then I'll have the jug. Nilikuwa nimesafisha ama but I had not safisha the jug ya blender, so nimesafisha. Then now let's dry it and fix it back where it's supposed to be, to avoid vyombo kukaa left, right and center kila mahali. Things are very much disorganized. We need an organized place. Yeah, so mi najaribu kuregesha hiyo blender mali nafaa kuwa, and my mbabas is helping me to rearrange my utensils from the old kitchen inaitwa nini hii kitu, hiyo kitu ya kuwekea vyombo, yeah, hiyo kitchen, nimekuwa tu na jina hapa, hiyo yenye anaekea vyombo, that thing, from the old thing of putting utensils to the new thing of putting utensils. So we are just taking the utensils from the old thing of putting utensils to the new thing of putting utensils. When that word comes, I will say it, but right now imepotea kwa akili yangu, trust you me. And mimi nilikuwa nachukua vyombo excess nikiziregesha back to the cabin, so yeah, ndo vyombo zipungue, because hii new thing to put utensils, it's smaller than our old thing of putting utensils, so we have to minimize the vyombos that go there. So and tumefanya hivyo, tumemaliza. Vyombo excess zinarudi bado kwa kabati, and msisahau kunitafutia dawa ya mende, hizo kabati zimejaa mende. Tule tumende tudogo. Please find me cockroach medicine. It's not that they are sick, but they just need medicine so that they can die. I'm not trying to revive them or to treat them. No, they are not sick. Si wagonjwa. Nataka dawa ya kuua mende, si eti ya kuatibu mende. Si wagonjwa. And we are done. So I wanted to see what my baba was up to. And voila, yeye alikuwa ananichagulia mimi nguo. But the problem is, he chose 2 prints. I'm not supposed to be laughing. I'm supposed to be thankful that he did that. That was a very good gesture, but they were not matching. But I said thank you. He's very thoughtful. He even ironed them. Oh, that was so sweet of him. I really do appreciate, even though they were not matching. So I had to tell him to take another white plain. But the white plain pia nayo ilikuwa imeshachomeka na pasi hapo nyuma. So I just had to take another outfit. Hey, yo, and I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. My kitchen is cleaned up and nimemaliza hizo safari za kupika hapa kule. And here is my food. And here kuna tu ule big baby mwenye alikuwa ameanza kulia njaa. Nikamwambia uwezi serve kabla mwenye kupikiwa hajakula serve. Before the server serves, you cannot do that. So wewe what you can afford is just cabbage na mkate. Siku iende. Okay, so this is what I managed to cook. I have steamed cabbage over here. Can you see steamed cabbage? Yeah. I have inaitwaje, minced meat stew. Yeah, with the potatoes alafu cooked in milk and mayonnaise. Okay. And then here I have my chapatis. Msijali, me I'm just analog. Yeah, yule mzee wrapped in a digital body. Yeah, I'm just Asian, but I'm wrapped in today's body. So lazima niweke tu chapati zangu kwa lailoni ndo zikae laini mpaka ile time nataka. Na msijali hiyo lailoni nilitoa wapi, maana kuna Kenya sai. And here I have rice, fried vegetable rice. So hii rice iko na French peas, hoho, carrots and mayai and vitu mingi too, and spices. So I'm done. My kitchen is clean, so I need to go clean up and You can see I changed my stand. Mnaona, I changed the last stand, and I love it, even though it's so packed because I've used so many utensils right now. But I'll just move some of the utensils zirudi mani zinafaa kuwa zikisha dry, then it will be packed. So guys, let me just go take a shower right now, and then I'll take you outside, probably, maybe. Sawa sawa. Hi, you have a nice day and stay blessed.